Hey everyone, it's Jim Pagiamtzis. I'm here at the Enercare Centre. It's Friday, May 24th, and why I'm here is because, see that thing on that bike? Well, I was at Collision for 4 days and I survived. What an amazing event. I'm telling you, it was the biggest event I've ever attended in my life. It was massive, lots of fun. Learn, speak, and socialize, led to monetize. Man, all four things were humming. Met some great people here. Look forward to following up and following through with a lot of great connections I made. I worked at the HP booth. My business partner, Hisham Kodomi, was there all 4 days doing video. We have some amazing content we'll be sharing. We have the full Justin Trudeau video. We have amazing other insights, on the ground coverage we did, interviews, so forth. It was spectacular. And here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, Collision is back for another 2 years. So a lot of friends texted me, emailed me, called me about Collision 2020. Let's make it a whole team effort to be there next year. I'm telling you, you have to be here. It was amazing. Lots of great people were here. So many to mention. Some of my startups that I was mentoring were here. Friends with businesses that were here in the startup area. I'm telling you, I have again some amazing pictures I'll be sharing on my blog. But Collision 2019, a huge success here for Toronto. Again, so many people from all over the world were here. So Collision 2020, here we come. Have an awesome day here at the Enercare Centre. There we go. Enercare Centre, we're back 1 year from today. And yes, my awesome wheels. I cycle the streets of Toronto. Cheers everybody. Jim Pagiamtzis from Get Connected in the 21st Century. Be awesome.